All right, the drink we're about to make is a celebration. This is version number 2. Put our ice in a glass. We've got a martini glass ready if you want to put some water and ice in the martini glass and let that sit while you're making your drink. It should come out nice and cold when you're ready to serve. Start with 1 shot of light rum. And we'll do a half a shot of cognac. Oops. Follow that up with a half a shot of Cointreau. And finally, a half a shot of lemon juice. There we go. Perfect. And let's give this a good shake. Always want to make sure you get anything you're serving as a martini nice and cold. Shake it very vigorously. Even if you shake a little bit while you're doing it, that's okay. We are about to have a celebration. Get our martini glass set there. In a strainer, pour it in, and you can garnish this with a lemon peel if you like. Bottoms up.